That row of Greek Corinthian columns. When we come out from under the bridge, you're going to be able to see the monumental entranceway facing the bridge that has a Roman arch over it, more of those Greek Corinthian columns. This began its life as an office building. It was the North American headquarters of a London-based shipping insurance company. But about 6 years ago, it was redeveloped, restored, and converted into a boutique hotel. So today it's known as the London House Chicago Hotel. You can see that entranceway now up above the 4th floor there. You have these two carved griffins or winged lions kind of guarding the entranceway to that building. And when it was converted to a hotel, there was a small piece of vacant land next to it, so the architects who did the restoration, Getch Partners, added a contemporary glass-walled addition. We have kind of these sawtoothed balconies projecting out of the side of the building. That's now the main entrance and the reception area for the hotel. And up ahead of us on the left, we're going to see one more Beaux-Arts style building. It also has a round domed temple above its central tower for smaller domed temples around the four corners of the office block. This one is 35 East Wacker from 1926. The architects were Yaver and Dinkelberg. This building is also covered with terracotta on the exterior. Those four corner temples were originally designed to beautify as well as conceal water tanks that were part of the fire suppression system for the building in the 1920s. Frederick Dinkelberg, who designed this building, worked for Daniel Burnham as a designer for a time, and for our New Yorkers back there, he designed the Flatiron Building in New York City, famous landmark in Manhattan. At the just below this building, along the riverfront here, we have this outdoor cafe with these red umbrellas, and just to the right of that, it opens up into a small plaza. That's the Vietnam Veterans Memorial Plaza in Chicago, and this is where the downtown portion of Chicago's Riverwalk begins. The Riverwalk downtown covers 6 blocks. Each section of the Riverwalk goes between two of these massive bridges. The passageways underneath the bridges was the biggest challenge in completing a pedestrian walkway down.